Hello everyone, today I'm talking about the history of the football player Endrick. Endrick born in 2006. Endrick Philip Maria de Souza is a Brazilian football prodigy who rose from a youth succession to one of the world's most esteemed young talent. After the phenomenal young career at Palmeiras, where he scored 165 goals in 169 games. He made his professional debut at just 16, becoming the club's youngest ever player and goal scorer. He immediately have Palmeiras secure full league title and after domestic trophy. This success led to high-profile transfer to Real Madrid, a deal agreed upon in December 2022, and finally when he turned 18 in July 2024 on the international stage. Endrick quickly made his mark for Brazil after his senior debut in late 2023. He scored a historic goal against England at Wembley and against Spain, establishing himself as a key player for the national team. As of the 2025 and 2026 season, the has begun his career with the Real Madrid, wearing the number 9 shirt. Thank you for watching my video.